Boost your kidney health with this simple morning drink. Did you know your kidneys silently filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every day, removing toxins and keeping your body in balance? Yet 1 in 10 adults has kidney problems, and many don't even realize it. The warning signs are subtle, and by the time you notice, it might be too late. But here's the good news. There's a simple, natural way to support your kidneys without expensive treatments or complicated routines. Just 1 glass of this powerful morning drink can help keep your kidneys functioning at their best. Key ingredients and their benefits. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Often seen as just another kitchen ingredient, apple cider vinegar, ACV, is actually a powerhouse for kidney health. Here's why. Restores pH balance. Your kidneys work harder when your body is too acidic. ACV helps balance your pH levels, easing the strain on your kidneys. Boosts digestion. It enhances enzyme production, preventing toxin buildup that can overload your kidneys. Regulates blood sugar. High blood sugar stresses your kidneys. ACV improves insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of long-term kidney damage. How to use. Mix a small amount of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. 2. Turmeric. This golden spice is a natural healer, proven to protect your kidneys. The key compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, reduces inflammation. Your kidneys face constant stress from toxins, processed foods, and pollutants. Curcumin helps calm this inflammation, improving kidney function. Protects against kidney disease. It lowers oxidative stress, balances blood pressure, and prevents diabetes-related kidney damage. Pro tip: your body absorbs curcumin much better when paired with black pepper. Piperine, found in black pepper, increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. How to use. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper in warm water. Add a lemon juice or honey for taste. 3. Ginger, nature's powerful remedy for kidney support. Studies show that gingerol, the active compound in ginger, helps reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage. Improve circulation. Better blood flow helps your kidneys filter waste more efficiently. Aid digestion. A sluggish digestive system can overload your kidneys. Ginger promotes healthy digestion, reducing strain. How to use. Grate fresh ginger into warm water, add lemon or honey, and drink daily. 4. Dandelion root tea. Often dismissed as a weed, dandelion root is actually a potent kidney detoxifier. Natural diuretic, helps flush excess water and salt, reducing kidney workload. Detoxifies the blood, supports kidney function by eliminating buildup waste. Combats inflammation, protects kidney tissue, and promotes repair. How to use. Steep dried dandelion root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey or lemon if needed. 5. Honey, a natural antioxidant powerhouse that shields kidney cells, protects against oxidative stress, a major cause of kidney damage, boosts immunity, helps fight infections and reduce inflammation, improves taste, enhances the flavor of your morning detox drink while providing energy without sugar crashes. How to use. Use raw, unpasteurized honey for the best benefits. 6. Lemon water. Lemons are a game changer for kidney health thanks to their high citric acid content. Prevents kidney stones. Citric acid helps stop calcium from crystallizing into painful stones. Flushes toxins, acts as a mild diuretic, reducing waste buildup in the kidneys. Rich in vitamin C, protects kidneys from free radical damage. How to use. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink daily. Avoid excessive lemon intake to prevent stomach irritation. How to make the ultimate kidney detox drink. In less than a minute, you can prepare this powerful drink. Start with a cup of warm water, add the juice of half a fresh lemon, stir in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, mix in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, plus a pinch of black pepper. Grate in a teaspoon of fresh ginger. Optional. Steep a dandelion root tea bag in the warm water before adding ingredients. Finish with 1 teaspoon of raw honey for taste and added health benefits. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and you'll start noticing a difference. more energy, better digestion, and improved overall health. Consistency is key. No single drink can magically fix kidney issues overnight. The real secret? Daily consistency. Every day you drink this, your kidneys receive vital support. Start today, and your body will thank you sooner than you think. Try it for a week and see the difference for yourself. And if you feel better, don't keep it to yourself. Share this with someone who needs it too.